Die Ladung auf Förderband 3 prüfen.
Ja, verstanden. Fahrer anweisen.
Look at the density here. Log that anomaly.
Got it. This one is clear for the smelter.
Watch your clearance on the left.
Ja, danke.
The incoming tonnage for Sector 3 is up by 20%.
We need to reroute the next shipment to Storage Bay 7.
The throughput on line 3 is slightly low. It looks like the sorter pressure needs adjustment.
The throughput on Line 4 has increased by 10%.
We should monitor the pneumatic cylinders closely for the next hour.
The sorting accuracy is impressive. Look at the throughput data here.
It's well within the expected parameters.
Check the RPMs on the drum. It seems slightly low.
Adjusting it now. The extraction efficiency dropped slightly.
We have unauthorized materials on the line, Section B. Roger that. Removing the plastic bottle now? I have the steel cans.
Gauge reading is stable. Pressure holding steady.
Thanks, Freddy.
The thermal scan confirms everything is within regulation.
Die Kompression ist ausgezeichnet. Halten Sie die Standards ein.
Ja, Chef. Alles nach Vorschrift.
We need a core sample from bale 12 for the XRF analysis. Ensure the dust extractor is running. This batch report confirms the aluminum feedstock standards. Check the highlighted section.
Verified. Data aligns perfectly with regulations.
The sorting facility is operating at peak efficiency today.
Absolutely, these bales meet the highest standards for the new bicycle frame.
Check the wiring harness at Junction 7.
Reading confirmed. Safety interlock engaged.
The automated feed rate is stable. We can increase the volume now.
Confirmed. Monitor the energy input closely during the transition.
We need to monitor the heat exchange closely for the next hour. Understood. The readings are holding steady for now.
The temperature in Channel 3 is stable.
Confirmed. We have stabilization. Maintain current levels. Confirmed.
Ensure the temperature remains constant during the pour. Understood. Logging the current readings now.
The diameter is within tolerance.
Confirmed. We can proceed.
The die assembly is secure, pressure holds steady at 200 bar. Good. We are clear for the bicycle frame run.
The readout is stable at 500 degrees.
Excellent. The extrusion speed is optimal. We are clear for the next billet.
The wall thickness on line 3 is stable. Confirmed. We are within tolerance.
The tolerance is exactly within the specified range.
Good. Let's verify with the caliper.
Place it precisely on the alignment markers at Station 3. Confirmed. Watch your step over the cable track. Check the alignment on Subassembly 7. Looks within tolerance, the laser guidance is precise.
We need to monitor the surface finish closely on batch 42.
Agreed. The automated systems are performing within optimal parameters. Cart 3 is ready for transfer.
Confirmed. Loading sequence initiated. The welding seams are flawless on this batch.
Yes, the automated system is performing perfectly within tolerance.
Die Spannung der Bremszüge prüfen. Sie sind etwas locker.
Ich kümmere mich sofort darum.
Die Speichenspannung ist optimal.
Ausgezeichnet. Freigabe erteilt.
The automated system is running at 95% efficiency. We should clear the shipment by 1600 hour.
Confirmed. Ensure the AGV path is clear for the next pickup.
We need to maximize the space on the left side. Understood. Moving the silver models now. Clear the path for the pallet jack. As you can see, the new models are lightweight, yet incredibly durable. They meet all stringent German safety standards.
This model integrates the new hydrogen fuel cell, significantly extending range.
And as you can see on the interface, the energy recovery is optimized by nearly 20%. As you can see, the entire frame is made from 100% recycled aluminum.
And the manufacturing process is fully sustainable?
Yes, it minimizes the carbon footprint significantly. As you can see, the frame is constructed entirely from compressed recycled aluminum cans. This process reduces the carbon footprint by 60%.
Greatness. These bicycles represent a major step in our green transportation strategy. The frames are entirely from recycled aluminum.
We take the compressed bales and transform them into these premium bicycle frames. The material is 100% recycled.
From discarded cans to these finished frames, the entire process is powered by renewable energy, ensuring a sustainable urban mobility solution.